Is your diesel engine suddenly feeling sluggish, burning more fuel than usual? Or maybe you are seeing excessive black smoke pouring out the back. These are classic signs that your truck might be struggling with a P20DD trouble code. This code sounds technical, but it basically means the computer in your vehicle, the PCM, is seeing improper voltage coming from the fuel pressure sensor in your exhaust after-treatment system. You know that system that uses diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, to clean up your emissions? Well, that system relies on high-pressure lines and injectors to spray that fluid into your exhaust stream. When the pressure sensor for that fluid starts sending weird signals, the computer gets confused and triggers this code because it cannot tell if the system is pressurizing correctly to reduce those harmful nitrogen oxides. It is a serious issue, because if that after-treatment system is not working right, you could clog your diesel particulate filter or damage the expensive catalyst. So, you want to tackle this sooner rather than later. Before you go buying expensive parts, you need to do some detective work. Start by crawling underneath and looking at the wiring harnesses around the exhaust system. Since these wires live in a very harsh, hot environment, it is super common to find burnt insulation or melted connectors causing a short. If the wires look okay, you are going to need a diagnostic scanner to clear the codes and see if they come back immediately. If the code is intermittent, meaning it comes and goes, you might have to wait until it gets worse to pinpoint it. But if it stays on, grab your digital multimeter. You need to test the voltage on the sensor's ground and power circuits. You are looking for specific voltage drops that match your manufacturer's manual. Do not forget to check the fuses too. Sometimes a simple blown fuse in the supply circuit is the culprit. If all the wiring and power checks out, then and only then should you suspect the sensor itself or the pump is bad. It is all about ruling out the cheap fixes like broken wires before replacing the hard parts.